Assalamu alaikum.
Hello from Elephantine Island. And I just sat down and he was like, oh, women over there. That tastes different, but amazing. Mira. Hello from Elephantine Island.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Where do you go?
أنا عايزة أروح جامايكا.
Jamaica.
عايزة آكل.
أكل the chicken.
معرفش. So guys, I forgot to show me getting on the ferry, but it costed £5. And now I'm on my way to get some food because I'm definitely very hungry. Met these kids. Hey, Helen.
استنى.
Opa. Wow, look at that cat. أيوة.
ألو مش شغال ولا شغال؟
no أصور دلوقتي.
صوري؟
YouTube, hi.
ده يشتغل؟
This is a microphone. You can talk.
شغالي كده؟ شغال؟
شغالة.
طب هات أقول. ألو الله سنو.
أيوة لا ميكروفون. لا.
مش الله.
لا. Different. He thought it was a microphone. He wanted it to echo. أيوة.
مسجل. سلام عليكم.
مع السلامة يومك سعيد. All right, Elephantine Island, guys. So the ferry's local ferry. I think you can actually just tip what you want. I don't know. I just gave the guy £5, but I saw a local put in like £1. Foreigner, just put in 5. It's talking to a lady on there. So it takes it's very quick. 5 minutes, 2 minutes on the ferry to get to the island from Aswan. And I'll film it on the way back so you guys can see the ferry. I just didn't want to film people since شكرا كتير. دلوقتي لا أنا عايزة آكل جامايكا.
خلاص تيجي
إيه؟
استناك المشروب هنا.
تمام شكرا مع السلامة. Yeah, so I wanted to film the ferry, but I felt, with a bunch of women, like I actually went in the ferry and went to there was a guy that sat down on one side, and I just sat down and he was like, oh, women over there. And I was like, oh. So I got up to the other side of the boat where all the women were starting to sit. So, but I didn't want to film because, a lot of women, people in general might not want to be on film, but I can at least film getting on it, especially if I'm the first one, and then just film the water and the location before you pick it up. It's very easy to find though. Oh, it's very green out here. I'm so ready to eat. So, yep, very excited. Let's get this Nubian food. It's probably similar to Egyptian food, maybe? I don't know. Sounds like there's a school here. So I'm kind of in the back roads of this place. It seems that, I don't know if I was on the waterfront, would it be a bit more touristic? Who knows? There are a lot of guest houses on this island as well though. People stay on this island. So obviously people are living here, but on beyond that, should we try this? Let's go down. Beyond people living here, you know, foreigners will come in, tourists come in and stay on the island as well. So, and if you don't want to take the ferry, you can pay for a boat. I don't see the point in that though, unless it's like cruising around the Nile or something, then that's a completely different experience. But the ferry is very cheap, £5 to get across. Wow. I mean, wow. It's so much hotter here than in Cairo. Hello.
How are you?
السلام عليكم.
Which your country?
أنا أمريكانا. شكرا كثير. يومك سعيد. أيوة.
Hello, where you going?
أنا أروح أكل. شكرا. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention there's two ferries. There's this ferry, and then there's another ferry further down. And I grabbed that one because I wanted to walk through the island a little bit. But it seems I took the back roads, so. No, really? Yeah, that's funny. I'm the king of Elephantine Island. Okay, it says I'm here, but how the hell? I want to get to this restaurant. I don't know if I need to go this way or down in that way. We'll find out. I think it's right here. Great. How do I get to Jamaica? Yes, King Jamaica. Need to get over there. Oh, nope, wrong place. مساء الخير. مساء الخير. Can I get through here to the streets?
No street. This is the house.
There's no streets out there?
It's street is up.
So I'll go down and then up again.
No, we want to let you go down and go up there.
Oh.
We're going to let you through. عادل.
Thank you.
وريها الطريق بس طلعها.
شكرا كثير. مع السلامة. تمام. I'd like to mention very quickly that the restaurant I am heading to is called King Jamaica and is family owned and operated by a Nubian family. The family cooks the food themselves and all the staff are family members and relatives. Oh, تمام. شكرا كثير. Okay. That was not it. But I'm a little confused. Was that it? No. Because I saw King Jamaica posted on something else. Well, there. Look, there's a little sign that says Jamaica. And here we are. Jamaica. So, I don't know if it's that was the restaurant or not. Anyways, here we go.
Hello.
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 All right, we found it. Yeah. Look at this view. Nice, very good place. All right, I'm gonna look at the menu, order some food, and check back in a minute. All right, so at King Jamaica. And, you know, to be honest, I'm not sure. I was hoping to see something that stood out to me as something that I've never had, but I recognize almost all of this items on the menu. So I've ordered the Nubian vegetable tagine with beef because it says Nubian in it, but it might just be like a vegetable beef tagine. You know, a traditional Nubian breakfast. I don't know what that would involve, but fried chicken, fried fish fillet. Yeah. All juices made with locally grown fruit. Great. So yes, I've ordered the Nubian vegetable tagine with beef and mango juice. And we'll see how it is. But I do have, tomorrow I'm going to an event, a Nubian engagement party. I was invited by a guy at the hostel. So maybe I'll have food there and we'll see how it is. Alright guys, I'll show you when the food arrives. Hey Helen! Alright, so the food has arrived and as usual, it is too much. We've got the Nubian vegetable tagine, which is very hot. It was just bubbling. Tahina. Oh. Either. That tastes different, but amazing. I don't know what that is. Oh, so good. Oh no, so much food. Salad, of course, bread, but the bread is also different because it's usually baladi bread. I'm gonna. I'm just so hungry. Anything is going to be good, but this looks amazing. So, okay, let's try this tagine. I don't know what this is. I didn't order two, I swear. Well, we'll find out. Oh, maybe I'll try the vegetables first. I know this is gonna be burning hot. It's tagine. It's good. I love tagine. I just had it the other day. I think I was talking about it maybe in a video. Actually, this is like, surprisingly not that hot. I can actually touch this bowl. It's just surprising. The food inside is very hot. Okay. So, I don't know what Nubian food means. I will say that the tagine tastes pretty much the same as all the tagines I've had, but this is different, really good. The bread they're serving it with is also different. And I've never had this vegetable before. I don't know what that is. If anyone knows, let me know. Hey, Alright guys, I'm gonna continue eating as I usually do off camera so I can just enjoy. But yeah, if you want some good food, Nubian food. Also they have Jamaican jerk chicken which looked good. And a beautiful view. Come to Elephantine Island, check out this restaurant. And I will let you guys know the prices at the end. Thanks for following. See you next time. Okay guys, just left the restaurant. I was gonna show you more of the Elephantine Island, but I don't know if there's much to do here. I was gonna go look at the Nilometer, which is like some sort of measuring system the ancient Egyptians used to measure the Nile for their crops or flooding or something like that. But I found out it's inside a museum, and I don't really feel like going to a museum, so I'm gonna skip that. But the restaurant is great. It's just around the corner there. And you know, taking a little ferry ride, just getting onto the Nile. It's a nice, calm, chill day. Very peaceful place to spend time, hang out. So I would recommend it, definitely. You know, if you're in Aswan, stay on this island if you really like quiet, peaceful, or just visit if you just want to pass through and have some good food. That tahina was bomb, by the way. I would definitely recommend it. That some of the best tahina I've had. That and the one in Alexandria when I first went there, like over a year ago. That was so good. So anyways, alright, I'm rambling. Check out my other videos. I'm going to be traveling back up the Nile, making stops along the way. There's always more stuff happening, so follow along with my journeys and experience Egypt with me. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next one. On the ferry.